Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket and Grilling and Chilling. That's my stepdad's Facebook page. Will soon be his channel on here. I'm at my stepdad and my mom's house, and we're going to use his Blackstone Griddle to make roast beef sandwiches, kind of like Philly cheesesteak sandwiches for our crowd, because we're at their pool, and I'll show you that in a minute. But he's going to light his griddle, and we're going to get started. And it's already hot because we was doing something else on it. So we're going to put the, turn this down just a little bit and get our peppers and onions going. We'll do that on this side. Alright, and we got our peppers. You want me to mix these together?
Yeah, mix them together.
Good Lord, Mama could cut up enough onion to feed an army.
A lot of onions.
Alright, we'll get that going and put some mushrooms off to the side.
Yeah,
Y'all know I don't eat mushrooms.
Where's the mushrooms? Right
And
here.
they're right here. Ooh, but they know I don't eat mushrooms.
No.
But we'll bring you back and I'll show you the pool here in a minute. Alright, we're cooking for about 20 people and family. But we just went to the deli and got some roast beef, thinly sliced roast beef. This looks like he got Cajun roast beef, but mine's plain. We're going to mix it all up and season it so it don't really matter. So we're still letting our onions and peppers cook down a little bit because we're going to probably have to use the whole griddle for the sandwiches. And that's my stepdad.
I know everybody. Good hot day.
Yeah.
We're on the back deck.
Yes, and thank goodness he got a sunshade because usually it's just in the sun. And was it last weekend I was out here grilling the hamburgers and I about died. It was
hot and humid.
I about just wilted away. It was so hot out here. Look at all that. We're going to have the neighbors talking.
We're going to have some sandwiches today.
Oh, yeah. Alright, we'll bring you back. Y'all know my son, there he is getting in on the action. We're about to take up the mushrooms, and what we're going to do, because everybody don't want peppers and onions, that's me, on their sandwiches, so we're going to take all that off the griddle, get the bread toasted really quick, and then do the roast beef, because we'll need to do little piles, but I'll get to that in a minute. What's that?
Who's weaning?
Alright, Ray's putting some Italian seasoning on the stuff. And the hot dogs is what Ricky brought over just to cook. And we will put the Italian seasoning on the roast beef. What is that, onion powder?
Yeah. A little bit of onion powder with onions. And then we got a little bit of basil.
A little bit of basil.
Alright.
Alright, addicts. And y'all, my son has a channel. It's Addicts Rowing. I'll put a link to it. He does gaming and stuff. If you go check him out, tell him that his mama sent you. And I'm going to put a link to my stepdad's Facebook page. And I'll be getting his channel started soon. Alright, we're about to take up the onions and the peppers. We're adding the bread real quick.
Just lay it down like this.
Get it toasted.
Here you go.
Here, Ray, you can do this quicker than me.
Here, give it to me.
I want one of them kind of rolls. Alright, we'll bring you back. We're just barely getting it toasted. We're doing that first because we ain't going to have room after we get the roast beef on there. Alright, our bread's ready. We're about to... half of the people coming is on their way, but we're starving, so we're going to go ahead and get what we're going to eat. Alright, now time to add the roast beef, and again, it's just deli roast beef. Half of it's flavored, half of it's plain. Alex, throw a little oil on there, and here you go. Gonna throw it on there, chop it up, and season it up, and then get ready to put the cheese on. Get Sam face out.
Ooh, that's hot. Oh! Oh, God.
You got popped, didn't you?
That felt good.
Alright, now we're going to start putting them in little sandwich piles like I did when I did the minute steak. I'm going to put the cheese on there and squirt some water and let the cheese melt and then put it on bread. Alright, just going to steam it with some water. Just put a little bit more on there. Might be mine. That'll be enough. Alright, here's that.
Here we
Here's
go.
mine. Just plain. I'm going to put some steak sauce on it. But we're about to die. It's hot. We're about to just get hot up here and then cooking on this. So we're going to go in and eat, and then I'll get everybody's reaction. And I'll show you the pool. Alright, we've all eaten our sandwiches, and of course I got a hold of the spicy one, spicy Cajun, so I could only get half of it down before it started messing with me. So, but I mean, it was really good. So, and everybody seemed to like it. It all got ate up. And let me show you the pool real quick. Here's a little bit. I just walked out here more. There's a couple more wanting some more sandwiches, but this is already off. But I showed you how I did it with the minute steak, the cheap minute steak, and this is how we do it with deli roast beef. And here is my mom's. Here's my mom and stepdad's pool. I've showed it before, I think. I'm zoomed out as far as I can zoom out. And we really enjoy it. It's hot, so I'm about to go jump in it. Here, let me get it better. The sun's so bright I can't tell what I'm filming or not. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all. You got them tongs, Alex. Right there beside the paper towels is the tongs.
I'm asking you where to put them.
Put them in the mushroom bowl.
Why? Because I gotta...
Just do it.
Here, give me more bread.